Okay, here we are back again. More base 10. Let's talk about it. The last lesson we talked about drawing using base 10 blocks. Base 10 blocks are fun. It's a good way to think about it. Good way to keep those numbers straight in your head. Also a good way to draw the picture. I'm going to show you another way to draw the picture. It's probably the way that most adults think of money. Think of base 10, we think of it with money. I jumped the gun a little bit, sorry about that. But we think of it as money. So money time. More base 10 pictures. Another way to draw it is if I had the number 23. I might simply just draw it like this. A 10 and a 10. There's two 10s. And then I have 1, 2, 3. We're going to call those ones. We're just going to pretend this is money for a second. So that would be 2 dimes and 3 pennies. Would make 23 cents. That works. So then I'm going to add it to 12. It has 1 10, so I'm just going to make 1 10. And I'm going to draw 2 ones. I'm just going to circle them. Why am I circling them? It's a good question. Because I'm pretending they're money. So these are dimes and these are pennies. So now all I have to do is count up my 10s. I have 1, 2, 3 of them. And then take a second. Can you see the ones? I know this is not fancy work. I don't have an editor. So let's take a look. Can you see that? All right, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got it right. Good job. 5, 1. So that would be a total of 35. 23 plus 12 equals 35. It would be the same if we're talking about money or if we're talking about bananas. It's the same thing. 23 plus 12 of anything is 35. Let's take a look at the next one. If you have a piece of paper, it's great. Let's give it a try. Pause the video. Get a piece of paper if you don't have one. All right, I'm glad you're back. Here we go. I'm going to draw my 3 10s. And how many ones do I need? Just 1. That's right. Okay. Now, working on 15. How many 10s are there in 15? There's 1. And how many 1s are there? You got it. There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to just draw my 1s first and then circle them. That makes it easier for me. So now I'm just going to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget that one over there. And now count the 1s for me. Oh, some of you smart guys started with the bigger number. That's right. 5 and 1 more is 6. So I have 46. Whether you're talking about 46 monkeys or 46 cents, it's going to be 46. Don't worry about that. Okay, forgot my equal sign. I want you to take a second. Try this one. 5 10s, 2 1s, 1 10, 4 1s. Give it a second. Try it out. Pause the video if you have to. Work it all out. I'm going to give you the answer in a second. Now I'm going to draw it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to circle them, turn them into money. Oh, don't want to erase that one. Then I'm going to draw my 1, 2. Here comes my 1 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Okay, I wind up with 1. Oh, I know you smart guys already started by saying 5, but I'm going to count them all out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 10s. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who knew? 66. We got a double number. Okay, boys and girls, good job. Practice using money for base 10. Have fun. Ask for real money. Count that too.